What's up guys, my name is Emily. We're at the VisionX USA booth here at the very first Overland Expo here in Orange County, California. I want to show you guys a couple of our brand new product lines that we just came out with. The very first one I want to introduce you to is the DURA Pro 2. These are available in 4 different sizes and are available for so many different applications. We're creating fog light kits for vehicle specific. You can toss these on your A-pillar, toss them on your bumper, Jeep, Bronco, Subaru, Toyota, side by side, whatever you want. Our next series here, these just came out about a week and a half ago. These are our CR Pros. The CR7 Pro has 11,900 lumens per housing, and they're typically sold in a pair. So just on your A-pillar, you can have 24,000 lumens alone. What's cool about these is that it has a DOT SAE approved daytime running light, so you can hardwire it in there or just run it at half power. They also come with 3 different X lenses on them. It's a clear one, an amber, and a selective yellow. It's also available as our CR14, which is a 6.7-inch round. Our EX2 lights are going to come out a little bit later this fall, but we just wanted to come out here and tease them a little bit at Orange County, Overland Expo. They come with a DRL, which also has an amber option here. You can wire into your turning signal, and they have about 6,500 lumens per housing. It's relatively affordable and not super power hungry. Our final product line that we're showing is our projected jump starters. We have them all the way from a 3-liter EcoBoost if you want to jump that, or a heavy equipment operation, or a 7.3 diesel. There's about 5 different sizes, but the main thing that separates a projected jump starter from any other jump starter is that it has a feature called the 40-second rapid recharge. So once you jump start that vehicle, you leave those claw clips on there for 40 more seconds, and it will actually recharge the jump starter. If you guys want to learn more about VisionX products, go to our website, visionxoffroad.com, or follow us on Instagram at VisionXUSA.